I'll tell you one recent case. What happened is, I received a call wherein one candidate he said me that he sir, I'm looking for opportunity, that too in one of the metro location. He is from the housing domain, and we majorly works into the housing domain across pan India. So we had a detailed discussion. I asked him about his entire job profile, what are the challenges he's facing, along with that, what are his achievement, how many years of work experience he hold into his entire career, all these things, right? And how much he's making now, and along with that, what is current CTC and why he's looking for opportunity. So these things went absolutely in the right direction, and I was even excited to talk to this guy because profile was very excellent. Then I asked him one last question: is that since how long he's searching for opportunity? So he said that he's searching for opportunity since last 3 months. Then I said, what happened is how many interview you have attended in person? So he's like, sir, hardly I get call back from the recruiter, and the things are not going into the right direction. At least interview has to be done. Then then even company will understand what quality and then expertise I hold. I said, okay, no problem. Do one thing, just share me the your profile, and then we'll see what can be done. Okay. So then he has shared me his resume. Okay. So so through this resume, I understood one thing is that he hasn't mentioned what he's supposed to mention in his resume. He's absolute excellent candidate when it comes to discussing in person, understanding his skill set. You know what happened when I was personally talking to him, he was very excellent. But when it comes to resume, that was not reflecting. Trust me, what has happened, what was is in his resume. I don't want to teach you how to resumes to be prepared. That you can use the Google or the other articles through which you can learn. But you know what he has mentioned into his resume is that his current organization, total work experience, and his resignation. Prior to this, third one is the third one organization where he worked. It was like name of the organization, what designation he's hold, and duration. Similarly, for all four organization, he has mentioned same thing. Now you tell me, let it be any recruiter. Even you are also working into some organization, so you will also try to see what he has mentioned into the resume. Based on that, you will call him. So what happened is, whatever the skills, what are the roles he's now actually playing into the ground, that was not mentioned into it. So what I would suggest is always try to mention all important things into your resume. Okay, what are the roles and responsibility you are holding, what are the challenges you are taking over, what are the stakeholder you are managing. So these are things are very much important along with the other factors. So guys, focus on your resume, prepare your resume in well direction.